Google's latest Pixel 9 Pro and 9 Pro XL are packed with the best tech the company has to offer, sporting a shiny new design, a Tensor G4 processor, a triple rear camera, and a wealth of clever AI tricks. From its conversational Gemini Live to its Pixel Studio generative AI image creator, the Pixel 9 Pro impressed us with its AI skills. But they're not the main reasons to buy this phone. Strip away the AI sizzle, and the Pixel 9 Pro XL, the model we've been testing, loses some of its shine. But there's more to like beyond the conversational Gemini Live and Pixel Studio image maker. The Pixel's cameras have given both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the excellent Xiaomi 14 Ultra a good run for their money, delivering stunning images in a variety of conditions. The refreshed design looks slick and polished, and we like that the Pro phone comes in two sizes, the 6.8-inch Pixel 9 Pro XL and a new smaller 6.3-inch Pixel 9 Pro. While the phones have different display and battery sizes, the processors, cameras, and other features are identical. It's a smart move, as it means those who want a smaller handset don't have to compromise on performance. The addition of multiple sizes has allowed Google to strategically increase the price of its phones, however. The base Pixel 9 Pro with its smaller screens starts at $999, and sure, the Pixel 8 Pro started at $999 too. But the larger 9 Pro XL, which is equivalent to last year's model, has been increased to $1,099. In our time testing the phone since its launch, we're happy that it justifies the slight price bump. After pitting the phone's cameras against its main rivals, we're genuinely impressed with what it can do. Against both the powerhouse iPhone 16 Pro and incredible Xiaomi 14 Ultra, the Pixel more than held its own, often delivering superb-looking images with vibrant colors and great overall exposure. It even managed to produce more natural-looking colors than the iPhone in some scenarios, although I still frequently find its software processing to be too heavy-handed, with some details being lost due to noise production and shadows being brightened to an unrealistic extent. While the Pixel launched with Android 14, it recently received an update to version 15. It doesn't change a whole lot, but it brings some additional security features, including a theft protection mode to detect if your phone's snatched from your hand, and private space, which gives you a password-protected part of the phone to hide sensitive apps. The biggest thing we've noticed about the phone, though, is how little we've used its AI features. Surely, we've enjoyed playing around with Pixel Studio and Gemini Live for the review, but we've barely touched them since. It's not that we don't like them, it's simply that we forget that they're there. For me, that simply proves that AI is yet to offer me any function so transformative that I have to make use of it in my life. Maybe I'll feel differently this time next year or in several years. If, like us, you're on the fence about AI on your phone, then I don't think the Pixel will necessarily sway you one way or the other, but the tools certainly don't detract from what's an otherwise excellent phone. The 8 Pro did have some AI skills like object removal and best take, but it was just the beginning. If its predecessor was just Google dipping its toe in the AI water, the 9 Pro XL is Google doing a full triple somersault with a pike off the top diving board into its AI pool with its new skills. Google's Gemini Advanced is easily accessed by pressing and holding the power button while you ask it something. It's pretty good too, giving me genuinely sensible responses to my questions about putting glue in a cake, don't do it, what to do if you find a giraffe in your hallway, stay calm, or why you shouldn't make a car out of cheese. Apparently, cheese lacks structural integrity, now we know. Using Gemini Advanced isn't the end of the features. You can also use Gemini Live, which allows you to talk with the AI in a much more natural way. The answers are essentially the same whichever mode you use, but with Live, you can interrupt the flow to ask side questions or give intentionally stupid opinions on things just to see how it'll respond. The new Add Me tool digitally adds you, the photographer, into the group pictures so nobody gets left out. Here's how it works. You take a group shot of your friends and then hand the phone to one of them. Next, you move and stand in a space where nobody is while your friend takes another photo, after which the phone blends the images together to put you in the picture alongside everyone else. It actually works quite well, and while it's definitely easier to ask a passerby to take the group shot for you, it's great for those times when nobody's around to help. The Reframe tool uses generative AI to expand the canvas of an image or help you crop it in a more artistic way. It'll even generate parts of the image that were cut off in the original. Samsung Galaxy S24's line and other phones with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip can also do this. If you don't want to take actual photos, then you can play with Pixel Studio, which will simply generate an image in a variety of styles from your text prompts.